Hi, how are you? Welcome to our my channel. This post we have looked to why acrylic nails are become too popular, as well as their benefit and drawbacks. Keep reading to learn more about acrylic nails. Introduction at acrylic nails. If you are consider getting acrylic nails, it's important to understood what they are and what the process entails. Acrylic nails are the type of artificial nail that is made from a mixture for liquid monomer and a powder polymer. The nail technique will first apply a primer to your nature nails, which helps the crack adhere to your nails. They will then create and a custom fitted and temperature temples to for your nails out of paper or plastic. After your nature nails are prepared, the technique will apply the erect mixture to your nails. Shape them and they are carried the under a V